Right, we were going to use the awning whilst we were away, but never really got round to it, so what we thought we'd do is actually put it up in the garden. I'm just going to position it against the shed. And no one comments on the state of the shed either.
You can't go and get any paint.
I can't get any paint on it. So make sure that's out, and this connector goes in there, it twists, and then you pump about 20 times, I think. I'll get that through then. Right, so when was the last time we had this awning up then?
Well, I think it's at Chatsworth in August.
Yeah.
Because we took it with us in September, and we were going to put it up at Beechwood Grange and at Thirsk, and it just the weather just wasn't
Probably
up to
why
it.
that window looks a bit mucky then, isn't it?
Because it got absolutely drenched there, didn't it?
Yeah.
First day we put it up. Yeah, so I think it's since then, and I don't think it's been out. Did we dry it when we came back? Did it dry itself? Because otherwise it's just been in the bag.
Yeah.
Isn't it, Poppy? You've got a beer.
Well, yeah, I've got a beer, some Chris. Yeah, so
that's lunch, Chris.
So that's lunch. Yeah, so we're going to have a nice little staycation in the garden. Since the weather's improving as well, we might leave the awning up then.
I mean, it's worth. We're on this pitch now for another 3 weeks, aren't we? So
Yeah, we paid for this pitch, haven't we? Yeah.
Yeah.
So, if you like what you see, give us a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe if you haven't already, and we'll catch up with you soon.
If we wake up.